Every bull run feels amazing until it doesn't. Price crash, your portfolio bleeds red, and that's when most people just give up. And if this is your first bear market, it probably feels even worse. Maybe you jumped in the top, got caught in the hype, and ended up being someone else's exit liquidity. Listen, I get it. I've been there too. But here's the truth. The bear market isn't the end. This is actually where the real wealth is built. Hi, I'm Lamia, and today I want to share my survival guide for bear markets. Simple things you can do right now to protect yourself, keep learning, and be ready when the next bull run hits. Let's hit it. First thing, don't blow up your account. Seriously, not chasing random pumps, not crazy leverage. That's how people get wiped out. Instead, try this. Stick with strong assets, Bitcoin, Ethereum, if you're holding long term. And trust me on this one, don't leave your coins sitting on an exchange. Move them to a hardware wallet. That's why, even if an exchange collapses, you're still safe. If you lost money last cycle, don't beat yourself up. Learn from it. The goal now is simple. Survive, nothing fancy. Now here's where most people mess up. In a bear market, they disappear. They stop learning, they stop paying attention. But this is the time to level up. And you don't need a degree for this. Everything you need is already out there. If you like structure, do a course. But honestly, YouTube and few good books are more than enough. Books like The Bitcoin Standards or Layered Money will open your eyes to why Bitcoin matters and how money really works. While you're learning, practice. Create a wallet, transfer small amounts back and forth, get comfortable with self-custody, learn the difference between hot and cold wallets. That one skill alone will give you more confidence than most beginners. Next, start looking at the bigger picture. Every cycle has a story that drives it. DeFi, NFTs, AI, real-world assets. Learn how these narratives shape the market, because spotting them early puts you ahead. Then, dig into top 10 cryptos. Don't just watch the price. Understand what each one does. Bitcoin as a digital gold, Ethereum as smart contracts, Solana as a high-speed app. Knowing why they matter helps you see opportunities long before the crowd. Also learn how exchanges work, which one are reliable, why you should never leave too much sitting there. Practice researching tokens, check the team, look at the supply, ask, does it solve a real problem or is it just hype? And get used to the tools. CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, DeFi Llama, even Block Explorer. The more you explore, the more sense the market makes. And don't forget, learn how scam works, because they are everywhere. Anything promising guaranteed returns? Walk away. Projects hyped by influencers with no explanations? Red flag. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. This is your training season. While everyone else is asleep, you're sharpening your skills, and when the bull market comes back, you won't be panicking. You will already know how to play the game. So if you're struggling right now, don't panic. Protect what you have. Use this time to learn, practice, and build habits that will carry you through the next cycle, because the bull run will come back. And the people who prepared during the bear, they're the ones who win big. Drop your survival tips in the comments. I'll be checking them. And if you want to see how I secure my own crypto, I'll link my hardware wallet guide at the end and in the description. Hi, I'm Lamia. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.